Hi everybody, I'm Mandy and this is what's happening for the week of May 8th at the Fitchburg Senior Center. I know, where's Amy? She's off traveling again, leaving me here to do all the work. Whatever. Anyway, you might be wondering where in the heck is Mandy today? Well, I'm actually back in our loan closet. If you didn't already know, we have adaptive equipment that you can rent out. So let's say you have a hip replacement or a knee replacement and you need a walker or a wheelchair or something for a short period of time. Don't buy it, come here. You can rent it out from us. We loan it out. We don't even rent it, we loan it out. So come on over and get your adaptive equipment from us because we can hook you up. Hey, those March surveys that many of you filled out, the survey results are in, but we're still looking for some more data. So just be forewarned that you might be asked to be in a focus group to talk about what you think should be going on at the Senior Center. So stay tuned. Hey, we have a bike group with summer rides meeting the first Wednesday of each month. They meet here at 10 o'clock and you go on a bike ride around Fitchburg. Join the group. Now I hear there's a lot of people interested in BidWiz, but where are you? Come on over. We have the same like 5 people showing up, but I keep hearing there's a buzz about this, but I just don't know where you are, so come on over. It's Tuesdays, they usually start around 11. The Learning to Grow second act is full, but call and sign up to get on a wait list because we're hoping to have another class as soon as the first one is over with. And card making this month is with the new instructor Christine on May 12th and 19th. So don't miss it. One more thing. Do you need a ride to your doctor's appointment? Suzie at the front desk can hook you up. You just need to give her a call at 270-4290 and she will get you hooked up with a volunteer. All you have to do is wake up and show up. Where the coffee's usually pretty hot, you'll find friends, the table of knowledge, and maybe even a hug. We'll see you right here.